Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm so glad you're joining me. I'm Ruby Day, and today I have an amazing recipe for you guys. It is baked apples. It is super simple and it has all of those warm, good smelling ingredients to them, and it's super simple to make. When you have that sweet tooth, these baked apples are gonna be your go-to, like no fuss kind of treat. So let's get started. I have 3 large apples here. You just want some sort of baking apple like Honeycrisp or something kind of like that. You wanna core those apples. Take a vegetable peeler, and we're gonna peel about 1 inch off of the top and bottom of the apple. Now if you need to, cut a little slice off the bottom so that they lay flat and sit flat. That's all you have to do. Then we're going to take a paring knife. Take one of your apples and right around the center, the equator of the apple, we're gonna make 4 1/2-inch slices into the apple. Just like that. Now what this does is it allows the steam of the apple to come out and will allow your apple to still look like an apple and not collapse while you're baking it. You may be wondering what an apple core looks like. Well, it's this handy dandy little gadget right here. They're super inexpensive, just a couple of bucks, and it makes coring an apple so much easier. You just take it like a spade and push it down into the apple and then work your way around until you get the entire core cut out, and it'll just pop right out. It's super simple. I love this little gadget. It makes the work super easy. Okay, so now we need to take a 1/4 cup of apple cider. You can use apple juice as well. I'm gonna take a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and that's gonna go in with it. Then we are going to take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Put that in. This is just going to be the little dose of liquid that goes in with our apples. Stir it around, kind of mix it up, and then we're gonna pour it into our baking dish. This is gonna help those apples bake really well. All right, now we're gonna make the filling that goes in the apples, which is super scrumptious. I love it because it's all natural ingredients, which makes it even better, and it's perfect combination with the apples. So we're gonna take 3 tablespoons of sugar. I've got coconut sugar here. We're gonna add it to 1 1/2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. Then we're gonna take 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Like, when doesn't cinnamon and apples go amazing together? Then we are going to take 1 3/4 of a teaspoon of butter. Combine all of this in a bowl and mix it up. We're gonna mix it. That is a winning combination for any treat if I ever heard one. This looks just like the filling that they use in Cinnabon, and I know it's gonna be amazing. Actually, it tastes just like a Cinnabon cinnamon roll that's in our filling. So now we wanna dollop it right into the center of each apple and just split it between the apples. That's gonna melt. That softened butter that's in this mixture is what helps it be really creamy and mix super easy. This is gonna be like an apple cinnamon roll without the carbs. How amazing is that gonna be? Your taste buds are so gonna thank me. So now all that is left is to stick it in the oven. A 350-degree oven for about 45 to 65 minutes. Now we're gonna baste it occasionally and take those pan juices and dose those apples throughout the cooking time. All right, so our baked apples got done. We have let them set for 15 minutes to cool. And all you have to do is serve them with a little bit of those pan juices. But it smells so amazing, I can't wait. They're still a little firm, have this beautiful softness to them. These may have to be renamed to Cinnabon baked apples. Oh my gosh. happy food dance all the way around. It is amazing. I love the cinnamon and the way that it's soaked in the center of the apple. So every bite tastes literally like an apple pie. For those of you who are no carb, this is your apple pie solution. You are going to love it. It is warm. It has that cinnamon flavor and the great combination of the sugar with the honey or maple syrup is just outstanding. The super easy treat. I hope you love it. I love you.